Hi guys! Good evening. So, I'm on my way home now. Kasi galing ako sa event kanina. Oo. Galing ako sa event ko sa Okada eh. And nagpunta ako sa office. Dapat ako. Turns out, wala na rin akong show. Well, for this week, wala daw akong show. Bawal daw akong umere, transition period. Kaya uuwi na lang ako sa bahay at tayo ay tumanggap na lang ng tawag doon sa bahay. So, tawagan niyo ako mamaya, mag-drive lang ako bagay ng bahay, papayo ako kayo, make this as a service para sa inyong lahat. Diba? So, well. So, yun, no? That's all I can tell you. That I don't have a show. I have a show but I cannot talk. Diba? In my 20 years of broadcast, I'm being told not to talk. But then again, what can we do? It is what it is. That's that. But then again, tayo naman ay tawag niya ito ay may paraan naman. So, akin naman tong platform na to. SOCMED ko naman ito. Facebook ko naman ito. This is mine. I do whatever I want to do with it. Diba? So, sa bahay. Mag-drive lang ako pa uwi and isang caller just to get the itch out of me. Para lang just to scratch some itch, diba? Pang ano lang, pantanggal kati lang. I kinda expect that this will happen because of what happened last night. And diba? Mag-drive lang ako and I'll tell you more mamaya, no? Or maybe I won't tell you anything. So I will go home because, you know, and just do my service to you. Diba? Just do my service to you sa platform. Akin naman to eh. Diba? This is not owned by anybody. Akin naman to. So, yan. Alright? So, let me just drive home. We will talk. Kukwentuhan tayo. Give advice. Hindi ko alam kung dapat kong i-upload sa, kung saan ako magla-live. Sa Facebook na lang siguro. Tapos, pag nag-live ako sa Facebook, i-upload ko sa YouTube. Okay ba yun? Pwede yun, di ba? Oo. Bahala na. Okay ba yun? Oo. But we'll find a way tonight, no? I'm a broadcaster for 2 decades. I have to find my way to broadcast to you guys. No. May mga ano pa naman, may mga bisita pa naman kanina. I had to tell them to go home. Dalawang matandang mamis pa naman yun. Kawawa naman, di ba? Kawawa naman. I have to tell them to go home. So, that's where everything's at right now. That's all I can tell you, that I will not talk on air. Because I'm barred from talking on air because of what happened last night. Could probably be my fault, but yeah, you risk all. Di ba? Pag ano naman eh, kapag pinagpagura mo naman ang isang bagay eh, alam mo naman to, di ba? At some point you're attached to it eh. Pinagpaguran mo yun. At pinagpaguran mo. At sa mga nagtatanong po sa akin kung okay ba ako, okay po ako, huwag kayong mag-alala. I've been through tougher times and I've gone through more difficult situations. And I should be okay. Diba? Should be okay. So according to my instruction, you'll probably have to hear me on the 27th. So on the 27th. Alright? You'll probably have to hear me on the 27th. I'm not sure if that will push through. But you know, diba, sabi nga nila, sometimes you win, sometimes you learn. Diba? Nawalan lang ako ng posisyon. Hindi ako naging tanga, hindi ako naging bobo, matalino pa rin naman ako. So, we'll survive this one. Itong Facebook ko, mundo ko to. No one can tell me what to say and what not to say here. And I'm choosing not to say a lot. I still have my dignity intact. Diba? You cannot scare a guy who's been scared all his life. I've been scared all my life. I've been on the edge all my life. All my life. I have lived to be on the edge all my life. So there is very little that can scare me. I should be fine. I should be okay. Alam mo, gagaan ang loob ko pag bumili kayo ng kape ko. Mag-PM kayo sa page na Healthy Jackson. Alright? Oo. Ano kayo sa Healthy Jackson na page. Bumili kayo ng kape ko. Ang sarap ng kape ko. Purple corn coffee. Gawa sa purple corn. Pampagaan ng loob ko. Sige na. Diba? Well, that's life. I still don't regret I gave my all. Because I did. I still don't regret that I gave my all. Because I gained you. Kayo. Di ba? Naipon ko kayo. I have all of you to be grateful for. And that's okay. It's worth it. Worth it. Some people are that petty. Some people are that petty. I'm not petty. Diba? I'm not petty. Kasalanan din ng guard namin eh. Kasi nabigay niya sa akin yung instruction. Maghasalta na dapat ako. Oo, maghasalta na dapat ako. Tapos biglang papasok ako ng booth sa kanya inabot instruction. I cannot talk. And okay, umuwi na agad ako. We'll see. I hope you're proud of me, guys. I hope. I am an insignificant speck in your lives. I bear no importance to your life. And yet you support me. That should be okay. I should be fine. I should be fine. Diba? I should be fine. I can't expect it to be I can't expect this to happen, but diba? It's happening. It's happening. Been a broadcaster for 2 decades and I cannot talk. That's petty. That's so petty.